To remove extra blank space on your Wix website, follow these steps. Log into Wix. Go to wix.com and log into your account. Open the website you want to edit in the Wix editor. Check for empty strips or sections. In the editor, scroll through the page to identify any empty strips or sections that might be causing unwanted blank space. Click on the strip or section and check if there's any hidden content or margin that could be removed. Adjust margins and padding. Click on the section or element where the extra space is visible. In the settings panel, adjust the padding and margins. You can set them to 0 or adjust them to reduce the blank space. Resize or delete empty elements. If there are empty containers, columns, or hidden elements that take up space, either resize or delete them. Click on the element, and in the settings panel, select delete or resize to make adjustments. Preview and publish. After making these changes, click preview to see how the site looks. If you're satisfied, click publish to make the changes live.